Today we'll demonstrate the correct way to clean the stainless steel chrome-infused griddle on the JennAir Rise and Noir range tops. To get started, you will need a bowl with tap water, a pair of latex gloves, a wooden spoon, a sponge. The color blue is recommended, but any non-abrasive sponge will work. 2 towels, and a microfiber cloth. Preheat your griddle to 300 degrees. Pour tap water over the entire griddle. Use your wooden spoon and sponge to wipe away the baked-on food into the drip pan. Wet one of the towels and use it to remove any excess food debris. Dampen the second towel and use it to clean the griddle surface. Once done, turn off the griddle and allow it to cool down. Remove and empty the dishwasher safe tray. If there is debris in the drip tray holder, use one of the damp towels to wipe it clean. Then place the drip tray back onto the range top. Once the griddle has cooled, use the microfiber towel to buff the surface. To see the complete line of JennAir products, visit us at app.com.